Welcome to Muslim West in Cambodia. Right now I'm here in La Vista One. This is one of the best projects here in Phnom Penh because yes, the location is great, but especially the interior design and the quality of the building, the quality of the apartment is very good. And if you're someone that is interested in investing in Cambodia, especially Phnom Penh city, in a residential area, in a commercial area, I think this is one of the best areas. Let's start the tour of this building, but before we start, don't forget to like the video, share to your friends. Do check out our official website www.muslimwestinCambodia.com if you're interested to come to Cambodia. You can also check out our Facebook page and Instagram page. And yes, in the description below you can also check out the link if you're interested to get my newest book about Cambodia. Yes, let's get started. Okay, you can see here, this is what we are talking about today, La Vista One. It has two towers, Tower B and Tower A. Tower B is already completed. Tower A is under construction and will be finished in about 6 months. So yes, this is a very interesting project, 140 meters high. And yes, you can see the facilities here are all you need if you want to live a luxurious lifestyle. We have a swimming pool, we have a gym, we have a lot of facilities, including supermarkets. Yes, you can also play different sports. And there is even a sky bar if you want to enjoy the beautiful riverside of Phnom Penh, because the views here are amazing. You can just wake up, open your balcony, and you can see the Mekong River. Some units have views of the Royal Palace, the other side of the Phnom Penh Riverside. But let's understand a bit better about the location. Yes, so you can see right now we are here, and as I was saying, the other side is this new area of Phnom Penh that is under construction, while this side is the Royal Palace area. So yes, these two twin towers actually have views of both the Mekong River and the old riverside of Phnom Penh, the Basak River, the Tonle Sap River. Yes, actually there are 4 rivers in Phnom Penh that come together, join together. That's why the river in Phnom Penh is like the sea, is huge, much bigger than other cities in Asia such as Bangkok or Saigon, Ho Chi Minh City. Let's go and have a look at the apartment units right now. Okay, now we are at the gym. You can see this gym is actually included in the facilities. Yes, what I like about this gym is that there is air conditioning. Some gyms in some condominium projects here in Phnom Penh don't have air conditioning, but this gym has AC and also modern equipment, which I like about this gym. And I will also show you guys other facilities, but it's definitely nice to work out. We are here at the swimming pool. You can see the view. You can see the Mekong River. Beautiful swimming pool here. And you can see Tower A, Tower B. And yes, you can use the facilities. Very nice swimming pool, as well as the view. This is the view of the old riverside of Phnom Penh. You can all enjoy from the swimming pool right here. You can see right now actually the corridor here. You can see the corridor. It has white walls, modern design, and also there is actually ventilation. A lot of projects in Phnom Penh, they don't have ventilation in the corridors. So I think actually it's good just walking around the corridor and feeling a sense of fresh air here. Let me show you the 2-bedroom apartment, 142 square meters. You can see quite big 2-bedroom apartment. The price from $1,600 per square meter, so quite affordable. We're only like 10 minutes from the riverside of Phnom Penh, very near the bridge, so the location is quite good. And you can see a lot of space. You can sit here, you can enjoy on the sofa. And yes, furniture is actually also included in the price. So I think there is a sense of comfort. I showed you the corridors, a lot of ventilation, white walls. But you can also see the view For $1,600 to $1,800 per square meter, I think the price is quite affordable considering you're in Phnom Penh, the city center of, you're not far from the city center of Phnom Penh, just like 10 minutes away. And let me show you the balcony. We have views of the riverside of Phnom Penh. So this is the view that you can get. You can even see the fireworks during the King's birthday holiday or the big holidays in Phnom Penh. You can see the view of the fireworks. You can also see the riverside, the business district of Phnom Penh, where there are all banks. And yes, Phnom Penh is changing. And yes, it's good because this project has a nice balcony. Okay, let me show you this bedroom. We have bedroom here, the first bedroom attached to the balcony. And it's the same balcony as I showed you. So you have a balcony every day. You can enjoy the balcony. And this is the centralized aircon system upstairs. So you can control the room temperature. Not many projects in Phnom Penh have this. You can actually enjoy the centralized air conditioning system. And the design, the quality is also good. Look at the door. Even the furniture, I think, is of very nice quality. Okay, and as we continue, you can see this is the second bedroom, also attached to the balcony, so you can also enjoy the view of the balcony. Very nice furniture, centralized air conditioning system, everything included in the price from only $1,600 per square meter, a little bit more. But yes, I think for the price you're getting, you can really enjoy 142 square meters, a very nice two-bedroom apartment with a lot of facilities and a lot of nice furniture. Okay, lastly, the kitchen. You can see very nice kitchen, very nice stove, modern, high-quality materials, the thing that I like, and also the bathroom is quite nice as well. And you can see also the bathroom, you even have a heater. Let me show you the studio, 58 square meter. So even the height, 3.3 meters, you cannot find many projects with this height. So it actually is perfect, and this is a Japanese design. You can see on my left side, this is a Japanese setup. You can actually sit here. You can enjoy tea, coffee with your friend. And this is on the 28th floor. In Cambodia, the higher the floor, the more expensive. The highest floor is on the 41st floor. But the 28th floor, yes, I think this is a very good deal. Look at the quality of the furniture. You can see the stove. And look at the door. You can see it's so secure. Very, very secure door. Also by scan. You have to scan your fingerprint here. On the left, you can see the system. A very safe system. So actually you feel very safe. But most importantly, you can see the wall dividing it. You can also see some distinguishing being divided. And this is the bed, very nice bed. It's a studio, but look at the view that you can get. You can imagine from just about $1,600 to $1,800 per square meter, you can enjoy this view of the Mekong River. Look at the view. Every day you can wake up and enjoy the beautiful Mekong River and the Changvar area, which is about 10 minutes from the riverside of Phnom Penh. A new bridge that will be built soon, a new bridge connecting the old market, the old night market, to Riverside, the new part of Phnom Penh city, across on my right. Yes, this will be the new part of Phnom Penh city, and you can see what a beautiful view you can get from this studio apartment, which can be rented out from $400 to $500 per month if you want to buy it and make it as an investment. Right now, condo projects are very popular, and most of the buyers are Cambodian. so actually it will be easy to rent it out. The apartments also include a washing machine, a dryer. This project is very unique because you can actually get a lot of free things in the furniture. You can see the bed, quite comfortable and spacious. It's a studio apartment, but it's actually quite spacious, and the design, Japanese style, is very nice. Let's check out the 1+1 89 square meters apartment. You can see same beautiful setup of kitchen that has included in the price, which I like very much. You can see the same centralized air conditioning system, and the 1+1 that is actually having the balcony attached. You can make the first bedroom on my left, and you can make the second bedroom on my right. And of course, as we continue exploring this apartment, you can see that you have the TV, you have the place to store your clothes, and the balcony here, very spacious balcony with the beautiful views of the Mekong River. Changvar is a peninsula, so you can see the beautiful view of Phnom Penh city. There will be a new bridge that is under construction, the Korea Friendship Bridge, that will be finished in a couple of years. But for now, this is the view that you can get, Mekong River and the Changvar Peninsula here in Phnom Penh city. You can see beautiful fountain, beautiful garden on the 6th floor of this project, connecting Tower A with Tower B. And we continue our tour. Okay, lastly, we are at the penthouse, 330 square meters, the same price from $1,600 to over $1,800 per square meter. Can be $1,900 per square meter depending which unit. But yes, you can see a lot of space. If you want to live like a king here in Phnom Penh city, this is one of the better projects that are available here in Phnom Penh. Okay, let's have a look at the 3-bedroom penthouse. There are also smaller 3 bedrooms, but we will see this penthouse with 3 bedrooms. You can see the kitchen. You can see the view that you can get, because you can cook here, you can imagine cooking here, and then you can see a beautiful view. If you cook here, then you can see the beautiful view of the riverside of Phnom Penh, BKK1, the Tonle Sap river that is flowing across the beautiful riverside of Phnom Penh. And also you can see from that side the night market to near Soka Hotel, and to the other side, Riverside, there will be a new bridge. Yes, you can see a lot of space here. Let's go and have a look at the balcony, because you will understand better about the view that you can get. You can see beautiful Phnom Penh city, 4 rivers coming together. You can see on my right hand side, Riverside, there will be a new bridge from this new part of Phnom Penh to the Changvar area near the Soka Hotel to the riverside of Phnom Penh. There will be a new bridge, the Korean Friendship Bridge, that will be completed by 2029. And you can see the view that you can get by waking up every morning, or if you want to enjoy the sunset, if you want to enjoy the fireworks. This project, La Vista One, is the best project because you can get the views no other project can get you. So I think the location is very strategic, and obviously it's by the corner. This is the advantage that other projects don't have here in Phnom Penh city. Okay, we continue the tour of the penthouse. This is the first bedroom right here. This bedroom has the balcony as well, all furniture included. You can see the quality of the interior design is quite good. The centralized air conditioning system, you have your own bathroom, and of course you have this beautiful balcony that is attached to your bedroom. The Mekong River that is flowing from China is seen here in Phnom Penh, and you can see how huge the river is actually here in Phnom Penh city. This is another beautiful setup if you want to enjoy tea, coffee, with a beautiful view, with a balcony here, the beautiful riverside of Phnom Penh. And let's go and have a look at the other 2 bedrooms. Okay, this is the second bedroom, also with a private bathroom and private balcony, so you can also see the view of Phnom Penh city. You can see here, very nice view of the other side of Phnom Penh towards the Techo Morodok Stadium as well. Okay, and this is the last bedroom. You can see on the corner with also magnificent views, or you can also make it as an office because this is quite spacious. You can see here, not only you have the corner view, but you also have a very nice office setup. You can actually make this your office, or you can use it for your spouse to make up or do girly things. Yes, this place is actually spacious and very comfortable. Okay, if you're interested to get yourself a very nice apartment, a very nice unit here in La Vista One, or you need any service in Cambodia, please do check out www.musliminvestingcambodia.com. You can contact us directly, contact me, my team, also on our Facebook meta page and Instagram page. We are here for more than 10 years doing this in this industry, the real estate industry. Please do contact us for any assistance and help in Cambodia. This is all I have for you today. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time.